What's up, guys? Diesel Doug here again. Today we're going to be doing a product review actually. Brunt Workwear got a hold of me and hooked me up with a pair of boots. I'm not getting paid to do this. I mean, they gave me the boots for free, but there's no requirements, so I can give you 100% honest opinion on what I think about these. I wear boots every day. I've had tons of different brands: Carhartt, Rockies, Justin's. I mean, tons of different brands. I can't think of them all, but so we're gonna give these a shot. They're supposed to be super comfortable, and I got the safety toe version because my work requires us to have safety toe. So I'm gonna give an honest review of what I think of my first opinion of them. I'm gonna try to do like a 1 month, 3 month, 6 month, and a 1 year review on these things and see how they hold up. And one thing I do love about this company right off the bat is it's actually started in a garage. So you know the saying, everything great starts in a garage. So we're gonna go ahead and open these up. I already cut the tape because I'm impatient. Uh, so we open them up, we got a packing slip here, and then we have this little paper here. It shows these boots have an adjustable width. Just by changing these inserts in the boots, you can go from a regular fit to a relaxed fit. So that's kind of nice. And then we got a Brunt rag here. Pull these out of the box. Got them pulled out of the box. Sorry, hard to do one-handed. But at first glance, these look like a really sharp boot. I got the anti-marking bottoms on here, and these are the safety toe version. And got triple layer protection inserts, so it's supposed to be super comfortable. So we're gonna go ahead and try these out. So these are the 6-inch safety toe version. They're 100% waterproof and oil and slip resistant. And the price on these is only 145 bucks. I mean, you're hard pressed to find another pair of good work boots for 145 bucks. And I think the great thing about their price point on these, I know a lot of companies have a boot allowance, and I know a lot of them are right around that $100, $150 range. So I mean, if your work allowance is 150 bucks on a pair of boots, you're covered. You get yourself a pair of work boots covered by your company every year. And based off just the quality of these, just looking at them, I think they're going to hold up pretty well. I went ahead and pulled the inserts out here. You can see this is your main insert here, and then this is the one you remove for your adjustable width. Keep in place for a normal width and remove for a relaxed fit. So I'm not gonna lie, I am super lazy with my boots. I almost never tie my laces. I just kind of tie them in the front and let them dangle. And so I'm gonna wear them just like I do all my other boots. I'm gonna keep them loose. Right now I have all the inserts in, so this is the normal fit. And they're actually super comfortable. I usually do get wide width boots because I do have bunions, so a lot of times tighter boots bother me, but just with the normal fit right now, they're actually super comfortable. So also size-wise, I always get a 10.5. Like I said, I usually get a wide, but I just, since they're adjustable, I went through a normal size boot. They do run true to size, just like all my other boots are 10.5s. I bought 10.5s, they fit perfect, so you don't have to worry about nothing like that, being weird on sizes or nothing. They're super comfortable. I'm definitely gonna put them through their paces. I feel bad because they're such a good looking boot, but they send them to me to give me, they want me to do a review on them, so I'm gonna put them to the test. I do a little bit of everything. I think wrenching out here on these trucks is gonna beat them up a little bit. A lot of my older boots, the toes start to wear, and you start to see the steel toe through them from kneeling on the cement, working underneath the truck. So we'll see how that holds up. I mean, I do a little bit of everything, working on these trucks. At my work, I'm always working on cement, walking on cement floors. So we'll see how the soles hold up. I'm into goose hunting and stuff, duck hunting. So we'll see how the waterproof works, go through the mud and see how they hold up. And I'm into snowmobiling and riding dirt bikes and four-wheelers and side-by-sides, all that stuff. So I'm definitely gonna put them through their paces and see how these things hold up. Even if you wanted to buy these just for, kind of a nicer boot going out and stuff, kind of something you want to keep nice, these are a really good looking boot, and I'm just walk around them for the first couple minutes. They're super comfortable. Yeah, I have no complaints about these boots at all so far, so we'll see how they hold up durability wise, but so far for the price point, I think you'll be hard pressed to beat this. So like I said, I'm lazy with my boots, so this is the way I'm gonna leave them. I just got them loosely tied in the front, and I'm gonna slip them on and off just like I do all my other boots. So I'm curious to see if up here starts to peel at all from putting it on the heel of my other boot to pull it off, or vice versa if the heel starts to peel at all. And also see how the heel in here starts to wear from me sliding my foot in and out, because I'm lazy. Most people are. Not everyone goes through and laces up their boots super tight every day when they're wearing them every day. So curious to see how they hold up. But yeah, first impression on these, super comfortable. They're not heavy, so you know, something you can wear, walk around all day, and I don't think you're gonna have any complaints about weight. They look good, and for the price point, I don't think you can beat it. Especially like I was saying, they got it right in that range where most companies' boot allowance to cover it. So personally, my company, I think, does, it's either 100 or 150 on steel toe boots, and then if you get the ones with the protection that go in here, it's 200 a year. So like I said, if I would purchase these, they would have been 100% covered by my company. So I think they got their price point right where it needs to be. So I'll do another update on these in a week and see how they're holding up. I'm gonna put these things to the test first thing tomorrow morning. I'm going goose hunting, so we'll see how they hold up and go through a week at work, walking around, working on stuff, working on the truck, and we'll see how they hold up. Yeah, so far guys, I'm super impressed with those boots. I think they killed it. We'll see how they hold up durability wise. Like I said, I'll probably try to do a week, a month, 3 months, 6 months, and then do a year cover. And I mean, if any pair of boots goes through what I do every day and they last me a year, you can't beat that. Not very often I get boots to last more than a year, if they even make it through a full year. So yep, I'll keep you guys updated. And like I said, they're not paying me to say good things about these boots. They did send them to me. I asked them when they asked if I'd be interested in trying out their boots, if there was any requirements, because I don't like lying to people just because someone's giving me free stuff. You know, so if I don't like the boots, I'm gonna let you guys know. But so far, comfort-wise, they killed it. Price-wise, they killed it. So as long as the durability is there, these boots are a no-brainer. So that's it for now, guys. I'll keep you guys posted, keep you updated. Make sure you go check out Brunt Workwear. They got tons of stuff, boots, work pants, work shorts. I think they even had belts, but tons of stuff. And like I said, so far for the price and the comfort, they knocked it out of the park. So go check them out. So you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. If you have Brunt Workwear boots, let me know what you think about them. If you've had them for a long time, let me know how they're holding up. But yeah, I'll be sure to keep you guys posted on what I think about them throughout the year.